county down here, when I used to live down here, the county always has trouble with these beaver plugging up these culverts. And yeah, right here, Mark, here's where the old traps were. There was one there, and then there was one that was connected to, see what I mean about the pole? And right here is the other one where it's connected to. Like a drag, I guess, if you will. Oh, we got a double here. And I'm sure there's more beaver in here. Sticks are gone, chewed. Yeah, Dusty's a phenomenal trapper, and he got some good area over there. That's where I sell all my fur to. It just goes to show this isn't the female, so this is a big dominant resident one. So there's got to put him up over there. Reset this one. You know, one thing I don't like to do, I like to just do one set at a time. I don't like to jump over there, take that beaver out. You know, same with my pocket sets. If I have 3 pocket sets, I'll just relure the one instead of jumping down and doing another one. Just take my time and do the one at a time. It seems like it goes faster for me in my system. Get him right back here. Since the dam is behind me, I do like to take debris and put in the backside, because otherwise they're going to come up here and check and come right over here, and so that I do like to do. Put my bait stick right there. Try to get a few more sticks, or even grass, doesn't matter. Just stuff to help them so they come from the front here. There we are. Like that, I'll lure him up and be done with him.
Camera's on you, Jason. It's gonna go down. No, I'd be okay.
And yeah, that means that there's probably a couple lodges back there, just because of the size of the beaver. And either one of these are the female. All right, again, they like to wrap up like a gator, so we got on. There we go. See there what I mean about the wrapping up? They just do the gator roll.
Todd, are you identifying the females just by the nipples?
Yes, yep. That's all I identify in these here ones, yep. Because this time of the year, they'll be a lot bigger. Their nipples will be showing, you know, ready to rear their young ones. But if you actually wanted to really tell about it, you know, it's all up in, organs are all up in here. See, and there's fresh castor up there. So I've always said when a peel sticks or castor mounds, dead beaver don't eat, and dead beaver don't make castor mounds. So there's obviously a few more in here. So here we are. Slick bottoms. And there's a perfect ideal spot. If a guy could have 200 places like this, you'd be money in the bank. Funnels them in there, don't have to do anything else. Not even gonna make any castor mound set or put a stick back there, nothing like that. A little bit of castor back there, I'll even dump a little bit. There we go, good enough. And that's all, that's to that. Get out of here.
The perfect hunting and fishing companion, your Wiebe knife, designed by sportsmen for sportsmen. Maintain precision control and a solid grip even after the knife gets bloody and messy. After all, it's a Wiebe. Order your Wiebe knife today with up to 24 replacement blades free and guaranteed $5 flat rate shipping on any sized order at WiebeKnives.com.